Hi guys, you welcome back to my channel. Today we want to take a look at the just concluded Waec chemistry objective test, and I'll be picking mainly the organic chemistry part. So when we are done with the organic chemistry part, we take a look at the inorganic aspects as well as the physical chemistry aspects. So for those students out there who are just taking the examination, this is an avenue for you to just know how you can easily tackle this kind of question in case you come across it anywhere. The product of the reaction between ethanol and excess acidified potassium dichromate. One thing you should know is that this potassium dichromate is a strong oxidizing agent. Take note, potassium dichromate is a strong oxidizing agent. And how can we easily have our answer to this? The first option here is 18. We have ethanoic, and this we have ethane. So now back to what we have on the board. Don't forget I said acidify K2 Cr2O7. That is, this is what? A strong oxidizing agents. Then there are two steps that involve in this. You don't just pick your answer as Waec candidate or those students out there who are preparing for Neco 2. This video is for you also. You don't just pick your answer without having a depth knowledge about it. For this now, there are two steps that involve in this kind of reaction. The first one is ethanol, which is the precursor. This react with acidified potassium dichromate to yield, let's use that word, ethanol. So now let's show the reaction. This is it. So we have C2H5, then we have acidified potassium heptaoxodichromate. This is what? Ethanol. And how do we have our ethanol? How many carbon do you have here now? You can easily split this to be CH3 CH2OH. Is that clear now? What you have here is equivalent to what? This. So now CH3 CHO. Now class, back to this now. We said this is what? Ethanol. So how do we have that ethanol as our answer? Mind you, have two carbon atoms there. So for this now, this is this, what you have here. But here, because of this acidified potassium dichromate, which is a strong oxidizing agent, we are going to what? This H here will be eliminated. Or we can say plus hydrogen gas. But mind you, we don't usually what? Put that. I'm going to show you guys because if you have to look at it, it is only hydrogen gas that is leaving this ethanol. Is that clear now? So when ethanol in the presence of acidified potassium dichromate will yield ethanol. And when you look at this option, we don't have what? Ethanol here. Is that clear now? So the second one, the product here is what? Ethanol. I said ethanol reacts with acidified potassium dichromate to yield ethanoic acid. So telling you directly that we are going to introduce, that is, the product here will be the what? The starting point here. So we have CHO. This is what class? Ethanol. So we have acidify K2, which is what? Potassium dichromate. Is that clear now? So class, looking at this, we all know that the functional group of oic is what? COOH. Oic, don't forget please, I'm just showing you this here so you have the what? The depth knowledge about this. So we have oic. So how do we have our ethanoic? Write what you have here to this CH3, and from this potassium dichromate, this now we are going to what? Pick 2 or 1 oxygen here. So this now, okay, you can say minus OH here. So this minus you are putting here is coming to this place. So we are left with what class? CO. Mind you, if this oxygen here is coming to this, we'll be having 2 oxygen. So we have what a class? Ethanoic. So class, anytime you are given a question under organic chemistry, the first thing you need to know is that, number 1, the catalyst given to you, you need to what? Know if it is oxidizing agent, if it is reducing agent, or if it is a what? A strong catalyst or a weak catalyst. So guys, looking at what you have on the board, for those students that have taken the Waec examination already, and to those students out there who are preparing to write Neco, please don't wait to watch the video. It will serve as a guide for you. Is that clear now? So I'll be picking some other questions from this 2024 chemistry objective test. Is that clear now? Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and also I want to appreciate the effort of all our subscribers out there for taking us to what? 800 plus. And don't wait to drop anything, even if it's just text, in the comment box.